So most traders think that trading should be exciting. And that was basically where I was not so long ago also. And the truth is, exciting trading usually leads to a lot of losses. And I want to explain why in this video, because so many traders, they chase the thrill of trading rather than just treating it as a monotonous, boring data entry job, which is how it should be treated. Because in the early days, I basically was the same. I was glued to the charts, over trading, chasing the action. And yes, it felt exciting. It felt like I was doing something because I was involved in trades and I was checking it on my phone every 5 minutes. But the reality of it was I just kept losing trades, watching my account balance go down, failing challenges, and it just became a very, very frustrating experience to the point, I've been involved in trading for several years and I've almost given up several times for various reasons, this being one of them. Okay. So the turning point really for my trading was when I slowed down, started trading the 4 hour time frame, and actually started treating it as a data entry job. And I can't remember what podcast I actually heard that on, but treat trading as data entry. You see your pattern, you set your pending order, you walk away. You don't need to keep checking. You don't need to watch the trade every 5 minutes and see what's going on with it. Because if you've got your plan, just follow your plan and let the trade do its thing and just walk away from it. Especially if you're trading the higher time frames, you're not going to want to sit there and watch every little thing. Just keep logging in, seeing you're in profit, then you're in loss, and it's just a crazy way to trade. Now, you want to get to a point where trading basically feels boring. One of the reasons I've decided to start posting videos again on my channel, I've always wanted to get back with the videos, but now I'm at the point where my trading is just boring because I'm entering my trades, setting the pending orders, walking away, and it hits take profit or stop loss. I don't do any trade management whatsoever in between because I've tested it. That is the way of trading that's been the most beneficial for me. So I'm trading my plan, and that's basically what I'm doing. So boring trading, consistent trading is going to give you the best results. Stop looking at your charts every 5 minutes, getting excited, chasing that next trade. Just enter the trade, walk away, let it do its thing, and let trading become really, really boring, because that's where you're going to get or start to get results moving forward. So if you want to find out a little bit more about how I trade, I've actually set up a free community. If you click on the link below this video, you can go and join that community for free right now. I've got my trade strategy in there. I've got a load of testing stuff in there, and I'm building it out. We're going to have journals in there. We're going to have everything in there that you need. And at the moment, I'm allowing people to join that community for free. So go and join that community. I'll be charging once I hit 50 members. So while it's still free, go and grab yourself a membership. You'll be grandfathered in at that for forever. And I look forward to seeing you inside. So I hope this video has been helpful, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.